To demonstrate the stunning difference that foil makes to any printed image, I'm going to foil this here, this image, the fox, which is very detailed as you can see there. The heading is the copper fox, so we're going to foil this in copper. Just to give you an idea the difference that foil makes, it just adds value. It's stunning, it's beautiful, it's eye-catching. And if you have a look here, as I've said before, the image that we're going to use to foil onto must be printed with toner and not ink. And toner is generally used in laser printers. Now I've got a really inexpensive laser printer. It's a Samsung, and there's the model number if you want to check it out on the internet. Now once we've done the printed image as we've done here, then we're going to foil it through our little Genius A3 Pro foil fuser. Once it runs through the machine, we'll be able to see the end result, which I'm sure you'll be very impressed with. But just to show you what I'm going to do is, what I've done is I've taken that image and I've then printed it onto some black card. This is a nice smooth black card, about 160 grams. And then what we're going to do is we're going to foil it onto this card, because a nice dark background will make that metallic foil pop. So let's have a look at the difference foil will make to your printed image. Right, so what I've decided to do is I'm going to print two colors in foil simultaneously. So what I've done is I've put some copper on the top, which is over the heading, the copper fox and the fox face, and then at the bottom the silver over the wording. So there you can see the silver over the wording, and there you can see the copper over the fox and the heading. Now obviously there is a gap between the copper and the silver, so the copper won't overlap on the silver and the silver won't overlap on the copper. All that overlaps there, but that foil is not exposed to the toner underneath. And now what we'll do is we'll run it through the foil fuser. Now we're going to carefully insert our printed image with the foils over the top into the machine and let that run through, right through to the other side. The machine is already preheated, so now the foiling process is taking place as it runs through the rollers. Might take 15 or 20 seconds, but now what's happening is the foil is fusing onto the toner image, and when it comes out the other side, we should have a beautifully foiled fox head. Now the sheet is run completely through the machine. We've put it one side. Let's have a look what the result looks like. We'll start down the bottom with our silver, peel it off carefully. That looks beautiful. Let's have a look at what happens with our fox now. Peel it off slowly. Absolutely stunning. Beautiful. Look at that. Now that's the difference that foil makes to things. It just gives it that $1 million finishing touch. Beautiful detail in there. The wording is nice and clear. Lovely. Absolutely magnificent.